All right, week number 11. And Mr. Frank, it's time. That's right, Dodgers, incredible comeback. Just like students, if you're falling behind, you can do it. Look, the Dodgers did it. Game plans. We are starting a new chapter. I'm old school. I call them chapters. The textbook calls them modules and topics. So I call the chapter 1.3. In the book, it's Module 1, Unit 3. And we're talking about characteristics of polynomial functions in week number 11. And we're going to start off with something called power functions. What's our learning goal? Students will be able to determine the general behavior of the graph of an even and odd degree power functions on their skills practice packets. This is our agenda today. Go over the game plans, room 902 news, and week number 11 at a glance. Nothing new here for grades. I did grade, I think, your week 8-9 work, and that has been posted. Remember, in this class, Aries is the official way you know what your grade is. I try to make it consistent with Schoology, but Schoology doesn't have a couple of things like Khan Academy, your first assignments, your quizzes, and your test grades. Friday, we took a Chapter 1.1 test, and if you still haven't taken it, I'm going to give you a couple of options like you did in the Check and Connect. You can take it right now in class. Go ahead and take it right now. You can take it by the end of today or by tomorrow. That is very important to take so that I can release scores and people can know what they got. Khan Academy is due next week. Not this Friday, but the following Friday. Don't forget that. And then remember, tomorrow you have a Check and Connect. Go to Schoology math page, and then you'll see that on the announcement at the top. 45 out of, I think, 180. So let's get it up. Let's get up to 150, 160s. I'd be super happy. Maybe 170. I'll do a dance for you. Those are the test directions. Okay. I should have changed that. I should have changed. We're just working on Skills Practice 1.31 this week. And you already turned in Skills Practice 1.15. If you haven't already now, you're going to have to go through late work. How do you get through late work? You can actually click on this word, late work, or you can go to Schoology math page and then click on materials, and then it's the welcome page. What does our week at a glance, what does the graph of a power function look like? So what does our week at a glance look like? Again, this should have been week number 11. There's a couple of you, I think 2 of you responded that you have not taken the test, so you're going to have a chance to do that right now in class. For the rest of you, I'm going to give you guys Monday and Tuesday a Khan Academy day or a catch-up day. What this means is I'm not officially assigning you anything, and so you can either work on Khan Academy, missing assignments for this class, or you can work on other things. Wednesday, I'm going to show you guys a launch to power functions and odd and even symmetry of polynomials. If you want to get ahead, all of the videos are in here. And here's one good thing, which I'll show you on Wednesday. I moved the skills practice, a couple of things away from Cami. So the reason why I did that is, number one, I noticed that you guys didn't have enough space to do your math. And some of you guys like that. So now I have them in Google Documents, which means that you can either just click on it and you can give yourself more space, right? And you can make your own PDF file. I'll show you guys that more on Wednesday, but I really want to give the time to students to complete that test. So you're not turning in anything this week. These are my study guides. I don't know how many slides it's going to be. I want to show you guys a new slide where basically I created a video and it helps you take your pictures to organize it in order. And so when you making sure that when you turn in your work, it has to be the finished product on what I see on my side. So this is going to be on slide 28. Let's go to slide 28. So you can watch this on your own time. This is on slide 28, creating a PDF file from your math pictures of your work. It's basically turning it into a PDF file. And so it's a 5-minute video tutorial that you can watch on your own if you need it.